welcome again to Param Padikalam. Hope you had your summer holidays and we were back for our online class. This is for 5th standard English, term 1. The title of the lesson is Exploring Space. In the beginning, the picture is given. Nila is in space and she's asking us to come to space. Also, we are going to see about the Pictionary. Let us see about the little Pictionary. After seeing the picture, we would like to go to space. All the children would like to go to space and see what is beyond the sky. Some children want to go to space just for wearing space suit. The galaxy that contains our solar system. The planet on which we live is Earth. Earth, the planet on which we live. Space shuttle, a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to a space station. Solar system, the sun and all the planets that move around it. Universe, the whole of space and everything in it, including the planets, the stars, and galaxies. Let us learn the lesson now. From the beginning of the lesson, it says, it was the year 2068. We are going to just imagine how the world will be in 2068. If you imagine how will be our world in 2068, it may be overpopulation, less fertile, more crowded, no more trees, fewer forests, more building and concrete. World would not be peaceful. Shortage of resources like water, food, habitation, conflicts and wars, very polluted. Human activity also pollutes the atmosphere. Pollutants are released as byproducts of our daily activities like using car, bike, vehicles, producing energy in power plants. So, here in the year 2068, humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. That means some other countries also established colonies. Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. It was her birthday. Her grandfather traveled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. If our grandfather or grandmother or our relatives come to our birthday, we will be very happy. But here Ariyumadi will be very happy because her grandfather traveled 1500 kilometers to meet her. He saw her sleeping in her capsule. You know what is capsule? Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised. "Grandpa, when did you come?" "I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday," he sighed. "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it ever lasts for a month. But this time it did not, so I am on time. It still took me 3 souls to reach here. Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetable hap for vegetables." You know what is hap? Hap means habitat, human settlement. In other words, artificial living quarters. Let us see what they are doing in HAP. In the HAP, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore. How many of you have ate carrot? Your mummy must have forced you to eat carrot. He's telling, these carrots are not tasty like the ones I ate in my childhood. She asked, "Why do you say so, Grandpa?" Then grandfather explained, "The vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth. I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth." Sometimes parents' childhood days, they must have ate so many varieties of vegetables that it may not be eaten by their child. Children seen also. So they feel that if you could have ate my childhood vegetables like that, they will tell 100 stories to you, isn't it? Same like that, Ariyumadi's grandfather is telling to Ariyumadi, how did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth? She don't know anything about the earth, and she's telling, asking. So now grandfather started explaining. The grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. He said the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. Now, Arimumadi knew about the earth little, so she asked, "But I learned that humans used chemicals, fertilizer, and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct?" She's asking. Grandfather don't know what to do. He started laughing. Already I told you these fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real. Arivu exclaimed, "Even the water?" He said, "Of course, in Mars we get water from burning fuels on the earth. We used to get water from rain, it was natural. See how we get rainwater and it is fully free." Then she said, "Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult." "Yes, my dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we get easily. Those days we will not buy water, but nowadays in the earth also we are buying water from our can." He continued, "In the earth did not need a spacesuit or an oxygen cylinder." He explained that we no need to wear spacesuit here and always carry an oxygen cylinder. Oxygen is free to us. Everywhere it is spread. And we could easily breathe the oxygen which is free. And nowadays, that's corona patients, they are struggling to get an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here. Arivu said, "Yes, Grandpa. In Mars, 687 days make a year." He smiled. "If you would be 18 years old on the earth." Now we are going to comment in the comment box. What is the age of Arivumadi now? Because it said you would be 18 years old on the earth now. So, what is the age of Arivumadi now? Grandpa thought to himself, "We destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home." Arivu looked at him and said, "Don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform." You know what is the meaning of terraform? A process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. He said, "True, but nothing can be the earth. The earth is our home." Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate. What actions destroy the earth? How will you change it? You have to comment in the comment box. Thank you. Now, glossary time. Soul. Martian solar day. Martian day. Capsule. A small cylinder shaped bed. Habitat. Human settlement. Fuels on energy source for engine, power plants, or reactors. Adapting, modify, readjust. Survival, to remain alive. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to move the environment suitable to humans. Scientist, on expert in science. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed Padam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get your next lesson.